Hey, did you know that external stimuli can help improve the quality of your ideas? It can also help make those boring team brainstorming sessions into something that's actually effective as well. I've seen this happen while working for more than a decade in various design and marketing teams, and so I wanted to create something that could benefit creators and designers and entrepreneurs like myself as well. My name is Ilya Lobanov and I run a creative agency called Studio, and I'm really passionate about empowering entrepreneurs and creators and brand builders to help them innovate and build better brands. So this particular Kickstarter campaign, I've launched it because I really want to make these tools more accessible to people like myself. The first product that I ever created was this script idea generation cards deck, and it's essentially a set of 60 prompt cards with a question on each that will help you generate ideas whether in a solo scenario or in a team environment, and they can help you solve any kind of challenges like reinventing a new business, coming up with a name for a new business, coming up with an idea for a logo or marketing idea, pretty much anything or anywhere where ideas are required. This particular deck has now been used for many months by several freelancers around the world and business owners around the world, and this is some of the things that they had to say.
You're used to kind of solving problems in the same way, and you get kind of stuck in a bit of a rut, and then you kind of bring out these cards and they can help you kind of change your perspective. So for example, one here is, can you amplify the biggest weakness? So then you start thinking, okay, maybe we can make a feature out of our weakness, or maybe we can flip it around or something. And it just gives you a whole new kind of view on your problem, and it just helps you kind of get out of your kind of creative rut.
I work in logo design, and these has been like really helpful in the concepting phase, during the sketching for new ideas. You know, when you are sketching, you want to explore as many ideas as you want, and these cards has been a very fun and creative tool to use.
And so now I want to reach even more people and creators and brand builders like myself to help them make innovation more accessible and idea generation more effective. Right now I'm working on the next set of cards, which is this particular deck, which was designed for facilitating strategic brand workshops, and potentially even more decks in the future. So I'd love for you to be one of the founding members and a proud owner of a studio deck or several. And so I invite you to support this Kickstarter campaign and help me reach my goal.